Most people think this question is easy, but that's exactly why so many people get it wrong. Take a look at this. 96 divided by 4 times the quantity 8 minus 2. Let's solve it. First, solve the parentheses. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now the expression becomes 96 divided by 4 times 6. A lot of people immediately multiply 4 by 6. For times 6 equals 24. Now we have 96 divided by 24 equals 4. So the answer is 4. But this answer is not correct. Let's try another method. Again, solve the parentheses. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now we have 96 divided by 4 times 6. This time, let's divide 96 by 6 first. 96 divided by 6 equals 16. Then 16 multiplied by 4 equals 64. So now our answer is 64. But this answer is also not correct. Why are we getting different answers? Because we are breaking one of the most important rules in mathematics. That rule is called PEMDAS. If you don't understand PEMDAS, you'll keep getting different answers to the same question. So let's learn it once and for all. PEMDAS tells us the correct order for solving mathematical expressions. Each letter has a meaning. P stands for parentheses. Always solve anything inside brackets first. For example, 9 plus the quantity 7 minus 3. First, solve the parentheses. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Now the expression becomes 9 plus 4 equals 13. Another example, 5 multiplied by the quantity 10 minus 6. Inside the parentheses, 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now multiply. 5 times 4 equals 20. Parentheses always come first. Next is E, which stands for exponents. Exponents are powers. For example, 3 squared. This means 3 multiplied by itself. 3 times 3 equals 9. Another example, 2 cubed. This means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. The answer is 8. Exponents are solved after parentheses. Next come M and D. They stand for multiplication and division. This is where many people make mistakes. Multiplication is not always done before division. Division is not always done before multiplication. They have equal priority. So what do? We solve whichever one comes first as we move from left to right. For example, 24 divided by 6 multiplied by 2. Some people multiply first. That is wrong. Instead, start from the left. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Then 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Another example, 18 multiplied by 2 divided by 6. Again, move from left to right. 18 times 2 equals 36. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Never skip from one side to the other. Always move from left to right. Finally, we have A and S. They stand for addition and subtraction. Just like multiplication and division, they have equal priority. Solve them from left to right. For example, 12 minus 5 plus 3. Don't add first. Start from the left. 12 minus 5 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Another example, 15 plus 8 minus 6. 15 plus 8 equals 23. 23 minus 6 equals 17. Now you know the complete order. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right. Addition and subtraction from left to right. Now, let's go back to our original question. 96 divided by 4 times the quantity 8 minus 2. First, solve the parentheses. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now we have 96 divided by 4 times 6. Since multiplication and division have the same priority, we work from left to right. 96 divided by 4 equals 24. Then 24 multiplied by 6 equals 144. That is the correct answer. Now it's your turn. Solve this one without using a calculator. 64 divided by 8 plus 4 times the quantity 7 minus 2 squared. Leave your answer in the comments. I'll be reading the comments to see who gets it right first. And if you enjoy these tricky PEMDAS challenges and want to master the order of operations, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and join me for the next math challenge. I'll see you in the next video.